Good morning everyone. We are just outside the Code Pod Hostel right now. We're going to take a look inside of the room and everything. It is a shared hostel, but it is a pod. So you get your own little pod that you can stay in. So it's pretty cool. I've stayed here before. This is my second time here in Edinburgh. So let's go take a look inside.
So as you walk through the door, you come to the reception. There's loads of people sat down. It is quite loud. It is Christmas. But you've got food and drinks at the bar. Loads of different options that they have. In here you've got the kitchen. You're able to keep things in the fridge if you like. They've got toasters, microwaves, stuff like that. Utensils, everything that you need. Just heading through now to see the room.
You've got all these different floors which have different rooms. You've got things going on, you've got walking tours, whiskey tasting, evolution of gin, women in whiskey, local craft beers at 7 PM. Even got live music as well.
That's the card with the code on for accessing the doors.
So I'm just going to go through the room. So you've got all these different rooms down here with keycard access. So just pressing the pin.
And this is my pod, so this is what you stay in on a night. It's got a curtain you can pull across, so it is quite private. Really comfy bed as well. No complaints there. 2 different light options as well. Full darkness. USB port. Got coat hanger. Plenty of space there. Although it is, the walls are wood, so it can be quite loud if someone knocks it on an evening. Yes, also you get a locker as well. You can fit a full suitcase in there, which is really good. Just making our way now to the showers. They do clean every day, which is amazing. Yeah, the dryer isn't working for some reason. But the shower's plenty of space. It's a rainfall shower. Coat hangers hanging clothes on, and a table as well.
So guys, that was the Code Pod Hostel in Edinburgh. We've got the castle behind me here. The price per night came to £45. I stayed for 2 nights, so that was £90. The staff were lovely. The showers are warm. They also have food as well, breakfast. There's also events going on like whiskey tasting and wine tasting, which I didn't get a chance to go on this time because obviously I was doing other things. I was climbing up Arthur's Seat and also reviewing the Christmas market, so I didn't get enough time to be able to book that in. But maybe next time if I come again to Edinburgh, I would like to actually go to the castle at some point, which is up there, which is really cool. It's nice because the sun's like sort of like setting, even though it's like late afternoon. It's like slowly going down, just makes a nice colour onto the stonework. But yeah, I've only got well, I'm going home soon. I got my train at 3:30. So yeah, not long at all. But overall, the stay's been fantastic. The only downside to staying in a hostel though is obviously like other people are there in the room with you, and there was about maybe like 15 people in this room. Which can get a bit disturbing, especially when people are like going out and drinking and then they come back in the middle of the night, or you've got people that are like travelling with suitcases and they're coming like in the middle of the night checking in. So there is a bit of disturbance in that sense. But overall, it's been okay. If you are on a budget and you don't want to spend hundreds of pounds on a hotel and you're quite happy staying with random people, then it's okay for you. Yeah, overall, been fantastic. But if you have enjoyed the video, it's been my first sort of like hotel review. It's only short, but if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me out, and if you want to see future videos as well. So anyway guys, I hope you're having a good start to the new year, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.